Lizardo Mercado here at welcome sa Safety Mindset. Tagal na din natin na hindi nakakapagawa ng video kasi nadami tayong priorities na kailangan unahin syempre. So sa ngayon gusto ko lang isaangat ng mabilis para man magkaroon tayo ng upload for this month bago matapos ang taon. And this is one of my hobbies na mag-vlog, whether it's personal, adventure, about my career as a safety, and also forex trading. Yun yung mga hobbies na dinadagdag ko. And pag-usapan natin ngayon yung mga tatlong bagay na kailangan nating iwasan as safety officer sa ating pinagtatrabahuhan. Ang una dyan is that kailangan nating iwasan maging police. In a sense na alam naman natin pag sinabing police is nanghuhuli ng mga kriminal, tama? Minsan kasi pag nasa project tayo, hindi ko alam kung ako lang ba nakakapansin. Yung napapansin ko ng mga safety is that they're acting like a police na parang hinuhuli nila yung mga tao na nagkakamali or hindi nagsusuot ng mga PPEs. Parang ganun lang nagiging dating natin sa project. Basta tayo na police na hinahanapan natin sila ng mali. Kailangan we need to be more positive sa project. Hindi natin naobserbahan yung mga good vibes, yung mga good observation, mga good points about sa mga workers natin, about sa execution nila. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na wag na natin pansinin yung mga violation na yan. In the sense that we need to try to include the positive side or positive observation dito sa ating inspection kung nag-inspection kayo. Second thing is that we need to avoid being a specialist sa lahat ng bagay. What I mean is that may mga bagay na hindi naman tayo specialize. For example, about sa air quality, noise, about sa asset itself, sa machine, which mostly related sa engineering. So kailangan iwasan natin na feeling natin na alam natin lahat. Kailangan alam mo yung limitation mo. So I would recommend basahin muna yung JD mo kasi hinire ka nila para sa mission. And that mission is to fulfill your job description, your objective as a safety officer. So kung hindi mo alam, hindi mo yun specialty, hindi ka specialized sa bagay na yun, pwede ka magsabi ng hindi at try to recommend to get some contractor to do that job. Okay? Hindi yung mag-recommend ka, bili kayo ng equipment and do this thing kasi nag-google ka lang or whatever. Alright? The third one and the last one is kailangan natin maiwasan is yung pagiging unapproachable. Okay, sometimes safety officer sinasabi nila kailangan matikas ang dating, kailangan para ka sundalo sa project kasi kakagating ka ng mga workers pag ganon. I believe hindi naman dapat ganon. I think we need to be more approachable. Kasi paano may improve yung safety culture natin kung lagi tayo nakasimangot, takot yung mga workers sa atin, takot sa safety implementation, di ba? They will not be encouraged to report some things which happening on their project, let's say near misses or some hazards that they want to raise. Kung takot sila sa inyo, di ba? Kung unapproachable ka, lalapit lang sila dito, nanginginig na. So dapat improve natin yung sarili natin to be more approachable pagdating sa safety implementation natin sa ating company. So ayun yung tatlong bagay na kailangan nating iwasan as pagiging safety officer. Napakadami pang mga bagay na maaari nating idagdag dito na mag-improve as safety. Even myself, I experienced this one when I was in the Philippines working as safety officer in construction. I feel that astig tayo pagka ganito tayo sa project. Then I realized na nagtrabaho na tayo sa ibang bansa and we got an opportunity to work with different nationality like British. So nakita natin yung iba't ibang culture and natuto tayo. So ayun lang. Sana may natutunan kayo sa yung tatlong bagay na kailangan nating iwasan. Iwasan natin maging police, iwasan natin maging unapproachable sa project, and iwasan natin maging specialize sa lahat ng bagay. Kailangan alam natin yung limitation natin. Alamin natin yung JD natin. This is my specialty. yes, this is my responsibility to provide recommendation. And if you don't know, you can say no and recommend on something like taking some contractors to do that job. Alright? So, yun lang, mabuhay ka. Have a nice day. Safety as always.